Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ron. We have new items to unbox today. Today I have so many items I want to unbox with you and share the uses of these items with you. I have a network, wireless network system. That's the reason why these days I unbox network equipment. So the first one I would like to talk about is basically an extender. It is called Ruijie RAP 1200F. So this one is basically a standard. So let's say, for instance, you have internet connection in your building, but your place is not strong, the signal. You can buy extender, plug in or configure it, and then it will transfer the signal from the other end to your end. So you have, strong signal here. So that's the job of this. So we are going to unbox this one, the extender, so you know what is inside. So the second one I would like to talk about is Ubiquiti Nanostation M5. So Ubiquiti Nanostation M5 is also an access point. So the access point means that you mount it on a pole and so many people can access the network from the access point. That is the meaning. So you can use this as also a repeater and also a stationary. So repeater means that let's say you have like a job of this. Let's say you have network in the area, you want to extend it to a different area which the connection is not strong. You use a repeater configuration. It takes the network from the other end and distribute to the other areas. So that is the job of the repeater, right? So and it also can perform as an access point and also can perform as a bridge point to point. So we unbox it to see what is inside. So the next one I would like to talk about is this one. This is the Ruijie Eg105g P version 3. I know the name sounds weird, it's too long. I don't know why their names are too long, but I think they have a reason for it. So this is basically a gateway. So if I say gateway, if you are doing a network topology where you need a lot of people to connect and manage them to do whatever you want, instead of letting everybody access it anyhow, you're probably going to need a gateway to configure firewall, also configure what do you call it, let's say you have clients which access your network with a different routers. You have to configure PPOE configuration for them to pass through instead of normal hotspot login authentication. If you are trying to configure HTTPS instead of your client accessing HTTP for secure reason, you're probably going to need this one to do that, because if you use the any of their devices, not particularly this series, probably you are not going to have so many things, or you can't do a lot on their platform. So this one is going to be useful on our network. So I'm going to unbox this one and you'll see what's inside. And after all, you know if you are buying one of these. So let's start with the mini one, right? So this is RAP 1200F. So let's see what is inside, right? It's very cute. So let's open here, and then the first thing you see is the warranty card. Almost all their products, they have warranty card, so be rest assured. So, and I also learned that it's 3 years warranty of their product. I think this one is also manual, so let's put it here. And the item we ordered for is like a wall socket, right? It's like a wall socket. So this is how it looks like. Let me bring it here so you can see how it looks like. So you're going to plug in your network cable here, and then in this device, it will extend the wireless range in the room, and you can as well plug your RJ45 cable here to access it for your computer, or maybe if you want to do your management or whatever, you can do it. So in the box, this is what you get, and let me see if there's any other thing. Oh, okay, so an extra cover to also cover the screws and the interface to you understand. So this is how it also looks like. So let's put that one here. So let's go to the Ubiquiti Nanostation M5. So the M5 stands for 5G. So in our network, you know, these days we don't do 2G anymore. Even some older devices are in the system, but 5G, I mean, almost 80% of the devices we have in the system access 5G MX. So let's tear this part. We bought this to do a configuration for a specific client. So basically, it's going to be either a bridge or extender, because the network in their area is not very strong. So let me get something to cut this. I think it's out now. Okay. So this is how it looks like, and let's open the side. I think this is okay. This is how it goes. Okay, so this is the Ubiquiti router. This is how it looks like. Okay, so if you look at the back, it has LEDs at the back to show you the network signal and also the LAN connection from here, and also the power connection, either is connected or not. So this is their newer version. And if you pop this side and you open here, this is where your RJ45 cables go. The main side is where you take from the PoE to, and the secondary side is where you take connection from the router and give it to another router, but that side is not PoE powered. So you may notice that, and the reset button is also at the corner of this router. So other than that, let's see what we have in the box again. So let me remove this. In the box, we have PoE adapter for that particular router. We also have power connection to the wall, and we also have zip tight. If you are doing you are trying to install it on a pole, you need a zip tight. So they have two zip tight, power PoE adapter, and the AC connection. So basically that's what you have in the Nanostation M5, right? So let's go to the almighty Reyee 105g P version 3. People are selling it crazy prices in Ghana. I asked somebody, the person mentioned 2,200, but I get a good deal from my connection, my plug. So if you probably need one, I can plug you. So let me open it so we see what is inside this one. So here we go. So I think this is going to be the manual. This is manual. Let me put it here. This is also a warranty card, because it always comes with a warranty card. Let me put it here. And in the box, this is the power adapter for the router. I wasn't expecting the router to be this small, but it's kind of small. All of their devices are kind of cute. These days they don't make bigger devices, I swear. So this is also a power connection for the gateway. So let me put it here. And they have here tight for the cable management, and also in the box, this is the gateway router, which we are going to talk about it. So let me remove it from the rubber. So in front, they have 5 RJ connection in front. 5 RJ connection in front. So those of you who are new in networking, the first one is called 10. So 10 means, let's say for instance, you have Starlink, or if you have MTN broadband, that is where it goes, and then it would form a connection and distribute from the other port. The first one can also take LAN and can also take WAN. If I say WAN, I'm talking about WAN, one port. So let's say if you have Starlink, you have maybe fiber cable, or if you have MTN broadband, you can plug two of them and configure it so that let's say we call something load balance. So let's say if this network is down, the other one takes over. Or maybe if you want two of them to share traffic so that you have stable connection, you can configure and do that. So that is the job of this gateway. And also some of the configuration, you can even, if you have multiple one, you can turn some of the port into one port by configuring and adding them, changing them from LAN to WAN. So that one is there. So this is very compact device, very simple. I don't know, this one is bigger than my iPhone. The last one I unboxed was quite the size is almost like my iPhone. So their device is very compact and very simple, and their prices are crazy affordable. So here you have the reset button, we have the system LED, and also the power connection. And all of them, you have QR code. And one interesting thing about these devices, I love their devices because very simple to set it up. So if you are trying to configure, you just go to your network topology, then go to add new device, just scan the devices on the network. So you see how simple it is, and I love it. And they have a lifetime management software, cloud software. You don't need to pay anything, and you can manage your network from anywhere, because sometimes people will contact you for maybe access code and you are not around. Last time I was in Kumasi, some people want code. I just go, they have mobile app. That is the easiest one. They have mobile app. You go there, you set, you do whatever you want to do. You check your network, send the person code, you know. It's very easy, and you can monitor your services anywhere because it's cloud. I mean, and with this gateway, you can do more, configure restrictions, DHCPs, a lot. So guys, I'll set it up and probably show you the overview. My setup is very simple, but the network speed, crazy. Okay guys, so don't forget to like and follow. Also subscribe, press notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. My name is Ebron. Enjoy the rest of my videos. Peace.